another episode. Today we're not doing a cooking show. I'm just going to give you some tips. I've got one tip I'm going to do now, which is how to get the shucks off of the corn really easily without a lot of the silk on there. The second tip, you'll just need to stick around and see what it's going to be. Okay, what we do, I've already got one done, but that silk just came off, the corn just came out clean. What we're going to do is take the corn on the cob with the shucks. I'm going to put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes. Okay, now a lot of you people may already know this little trick, but then again, some may not. So for those that don't know about it, hey, this is for you, okay? So, good old corn on the cob. We'll cook this after a while. The way I'll do it is I will put it in the oven and cook it in the oven, and I'll put butter and salt and pepper and paprika on it and cook it in the oven. Sometimes I do it in the air fryer, but today I'll just do my corn in the oven. We really like it cooked in the oven.
So what do you like your corn in?
Well, I like my corn in.
Yeah.
Everything. I like everything about corn. I can just make a meal on corn on the cob.
You're kind of corny.
I'm kind of corny, yeah, I know I am. But yes, I am definitely a corn person, yeah. Yeah, I like the corn. And in the summertime, I'll show you maybe how to make a corn salad. It's really good for the hot summer days. So later on, we'll show you how to do a corn salad, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, let's see how we're going. We've got still about 45 seconds left before we take that out. It's usually really hot. Have to let it cool down just a tad. Okay, that 2 minutes is up. I'm going to take that old corn out of the microwave. Whew, and it is hot.
Yeah, so
what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold it with this pot holder. And this part down here is where I'm going to cut that with a knife. Woo! Hot. Oh, it's already falling apart on me. Before I can even start squeezing it up. Sometimes they do just fall apart before I can get them all done. And that's what this one's doing. But hey, let me, just a second. Whoo-wee.
That came out pretty clean.
Yeah, you don't have a lot of cleaning to do like you normally do without putting it in the microwave. So we'll cut off that end. And there we have good clean corn ready to put in the oven and bake. Okay, we are back, and I'm going to show you tip number 2 for the day. This is not a cooking tip. This is a fabric softener tip. What I do is I buy multiple purpose sponges. Take about 3 of them and cut them in half. Okay, then I'm going to take my fabric softener and pour in to a glass like that. Pour it into a container that you can seal up real good.
Don't drink it.
No, don't drink this. Pour that in, and then I'm going to the same part of water with it. Okay, now then we've got our water, and that is good and mix up. Okay, then what I'm going to do is take these sponges that I've cut in half, put them in this fabric softener. And it's going to soak up that fabric softener. Okay. Once I want to use them, I will just reach in and pull out a sponge, squeeze out the excess, throw it on top of in my dryer. It's going to take the place of buying multiple dryer sheets. So that is a good tip. You don't, and this will go a long way, because once you take it out, when you take it out of the dryer, the sponge is going to be shrunk up some, but just stick it back in the fabric softener, and you can use them over and over and over.
Until they disappear out of existence.
So there, I'll just seal this up, and whenever I'm getting ready to do my laundry again, I will have this here, sponges to use as fabric softener. I hope this helps you. It saves you some money. So until next time, I appreciate you being with us. You all have a good evening. Thank you. See you another time. Bye-bye.